Hello everyone, so today we are going to do the difference between when and while when used as conjunctions. So first of all, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are the joining words or you can say connectors जो दो words, दो phrases या फिर दो sentences को जोड़ते हैं. So basically conjunction का सिर्फ एक ही काम होता है, दो sentences, दो words या फिर दो phrases को जोड़ना. So when and while जब भी हमने use करना है, so we will always combine two sentences there. But whenever there will be the fill up and you have to use when or while, you will always get confused. So today I'm going to tell you a clear cut difference between when and while, and you will never do any mistake while doing these kind of conjunctions. So the first difference, when is used for a specific point in time. So when कब use करते हैं हम, जब हम एक specific एक particular time की बात कर रहे हैं. For example, I was taking a shower when the doorbell rang. So जब डोरबेल रैंग हुई तब मैं शार ले रही थी. So this is a particular there is a specific point कि जब बेल रैंग हुई तब मैं शार ले रही थी. So there is no longer we can say action. It's a shorter action and we are talking about a specific point when I was taking a shower. Okay, so the while, whereas while we use, it refers to continuous or a longer period of time. So whenever two continuous actions are going on at the same time, simultaneously two actions are going on, then you will use while. For example, I was studying while my brother was watching TV. Now see, here both the actions are in continuity. Sorry. So both the actions are in continuity, studying and watching. So जब मैं स्टडी कर रही थी तब मेरा ब्रदर टीवी देख रहा था. So both the actions are in continuity, and when both the actions are in continuity at the same time, then you will use while. So here that's why we use while instead of when. Now next difference is it is used for an action that happens immediately after another. So when हम कब यूज करते हैं, जब एक एक्शन के साथ में ही दूसरा एक्शन हो जाए, बिल्कुल साथ में, just after one action happens another action. For example, I take my shoes off when I get home. जब मैं घर गया तो मैंने अपने शूज उतारे. So these are the two we can say sequential actions जो एक सीक्वेंस में हुए, एक के बाद दूसरा हुआ. बट while हम कब यूज करते हैं, जब दो एक्शंस एक टाइम पे कॉन्टिन्यूटी में है फॉर द लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. शी वॉज कुकिंग डिनर while her kids were doing homework. सो दोनों ही एक्शंस कॉन्टिन्यूटी में है, एक टाइम पे अलग अलग पर्सन्स दो एक्शंस कर रहे हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग while here. So next point is here the main the conclusion we get from when and while, that is when for a shorter action that interrupts a longer one or for two quick sequential actions. So when कब यूज करोगे आप, जब एक लंबे समय से कोई काम चल रहा है और उसको एक छोटे काम ने इंटरप्ट कर दिया, एक छोटे एक्शन ने इंटरप्ट कर दिया. जैसे कि when I was reading the bell rang, we did the example earlier. When I was reading, so reading आप काफ़ी लंबे समय से कर रहे थे और the bell rang is a shorter action and it interrupted the longer action. So that's why you will use when there. But while कब यूज करना है, जब दो continuity में longer time के लिए actions चल रहे हैं. So for that you will use while for that. Now one example is for you. Dash, I went out, it was raining. So what you will fill here, when or while? Just do comment that in the comment section so that I can know that you got this or not, that whether it is clear to you or not. So thank you for watching me and follow for more.